It is a sannyasa sampradaya of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. They are responsible for keeping this knowledge alive, even though modern day society, humanity made fun of them, mocked at them for spending the whole life, entire life. That is the way modern civilization treated our sannyasis as for keeping this great knowledge of Veda, Upaveda, Vedanga, Vedanta, Agama, Upagama, Agama Anga, Agamanta, Purana, Upapurana,